Whenever we get a custom MSRT into stock, it lasts a matter of hours because they're the most sought after van physically on the market today, and this one will be exactly the same. 2 litre diesel, 170 PS all-wheel drive, VAT qualifying, transit custom MSRT, standard wheelbase, but it's a 5-seater plus some cracking options, electric deployable Towbar, liftgate, and then the combination of the engine plus the all-wheel drive will open it up to a lot of customers out there. The colour is magnetic grey. Factory MSRT, and I say that in every video because there are some companies out there that try and replicate an MSRT, but this is factory. 25 registered within the last week, delivery miles, I think it's done 140 miles from memory. So everything is full factory, front splitter, light unit, side vent, everything, all factory. They all come with a specific MSRT style wheel, satin grey, multi-spokes, and then you have the blue brake caliper that sits behind. Another great feature or option, you have dual access doors, but electric access. So you've got 5 seats, which opens it up for both business and personal. So if you've got a family or a workforce, you've got the 5-seat variant. Dual access, but not only is it dual access, it's also remote from the key as well. Now, when we get to the back, full styling continues. So huge fixed spoiler, rear light clusters, rear diffuser, liftgate. If you don't know what that is, instead of having 2 doors that open separate, you've got 1 door that opens vertically like that. Already bed lined, already in there. And then you've got the factory deployable Towbar. So 2 litre diesel, 170 PS, 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive system with your Towbar. So if you tow a trailer, caravan, horse box, maybe something that you might go on across Europe driving, you've got the space in the back, plus the Towbar to carry whatever you need to tow, and you've got the 5 seats opposed to it just being the single cab. Latest interior, so you've got that MSRT specific wheel, so it's flat bottom, leather wheel with the 12 o'clock MSRT blue through the centre. So you've got the stitching, you've got the upholstery on the seats as well, so it's MSRT specific. Sport seats, then you've got half leather with Alcantara through the middle and the blue stitching. If I jump in, it's done 145 miles. VAT Q, 145 miles, so it's a great purchase for a VAT registered business. Huge display as well, it's got everything on it basically. Apple CarPlay, Android, but also your climate control, your heated seats, your heated steering wheel. You've got lane keep assist, cruise control. You've got loads of features, cup holders, USBs, storage down the bottom. I think you've got a wireless charging pad down there as well. If I pop it into reverse, rear view camera, front and rear parking sensors. You've got dual glove box, so one in the top, one in the bottom. So the way I probably work that is if you are going to and from sites, offices, businesses, pricing jobs, quoting, whatever you might be doing, well then you can keep your paperwork separate as well as carrying your charging cables and stuff. You've even got phone holder station there as well. So incredibly sought after van. If unfortunately you've missed out on one of the ones recently, this one's available today, but as usual it will not last very long. So if you want to have a chat about how you can buy it, feel free to give me a shout. My name is Paddy, you'll find my number in the description. Give me a call, I'll answer any questions that you've got.